Once upon a time, in a village surrounded by green hills, lived a boy named Ali. He eagerly awaited al-adha, a special festival of sacrifice and sharing. Ali's family prepared by cleaning their house, making delicious food, and buying a goat for the sacrifice. On a morning, Ali joined his family for prayers at the mosque. Afterward, they returned home. With his mother, Ali packed the meat into parcels and visited the homes of those in need. The gratitude on their faces touched Ali's heart. He realized the joy of Eid came from sharing with others. In the evening, the village gathered for a feast. Ali's family welcomed everyone with open arms. Laughter filled the air as they enjoyed delicious food and each other's company. As the night sky twinkled with stars, Ali sat with his family, reflecting on the day's events. He felt grateful for the blessings and love he experienced. Eid al-Adha was not just a day of sacrifice, but also a day of sharing and spreading happiness. From that day on, Ali vowed to continue sharing and spreading joy throughout the year. He understood that the spirit of Eid al-Adha could live in his heart every day. And so, children, remember Ali's story. Embrace the values of sacrifice and sharing. Let kindness and compassion guide your actions. May the spirit of Eid al-Adha brighten your lives, not just on the festival day, but every day.